Okay, so this is the next example, all right, and again, we're dealing with a flat plate that's homogeneous, so we're going to say that the weight's proportional to the area, and this is made up of 4 pieces. The large overall rectangle, there are 2 triangles, here's part 2, here's part 3, and then there is a semicircle, okay? So as you're looking at this, the area of this is going to be equal to 300 times 200 for the larger rectangle. Okay, this CL means that that is the center line, and it says it's symmetrical, so that's a line of symmetry. All right, so we don't need, in this case, to find X bar. We know X bar is on this line of symmetry on the y-axis. So we can actually get rid of this, and we can also get rid of these. Alright, so when we look at this, alright, then for that rectangle, the y would be halfway up. It'd be at 150 millimeters. Okay? For shape 2, it's going to be equal to 1/2 times the base, 70, times the height, 150. Okay, and I'm getting those numbers right off the drawing. Okay? And that, the next triangle is going to be exactly the same, so I'm just going to copy and paste that. Okay, if I look in the front of my text, I see that the location of that centroid is going to be 1/3 of the way up from the base, so that's 50 and 50. Okay? Then finally, we have the area of that semicircle, and that's going to be equal to pi times r is 30 squared. And that whole thing is, oops, so it wants me to do, I have to do parentheses, so I'm just going to do that as 3.14, okay? Alright, now the y bar, if I look in the front of the book, it says it is 4 times the radius divided by 3 times pi. So it's 4 times, oh, I have to start with a plus, 4 times 3, 30 millimeters, divided by 3.14 times 30. Okay. Alright, and that would be the y location of the semicircle, but it's not at the reference axis, okay? It's from the top. So we have to start that with, that's subtracted from the overall height. So it's 300 minus that. Alright? So we see that y bar is at 138. Something's not quite right there. Oh, hello. Are these areas negative or positive? Okay, I forgot to make them negative. Alright, and there it is. That's 167.8 millimeters. Okay, hope that helps.